Okay, moving right along. Look on our board, I got another word up there. It's metabolism. You might not know what metabolism is, or I'm sure you've heard it, but it's one of those kind of vague terms that you're not sure about. And what it means is that you use energy. And you notice I put it in the category of characteristics that are shared with non-living entities. And you might think, well, what non-living entity uses energy? Your car, motorcycle, any kind of, anything like that uses metabolism. It's essentially, it is a characteristic of life. I mean, you and I will die if we don't eat, right? But your car won't run if you don't put gas in it too. So it is also a characteristic of life that is shared with non-living entities. Now, what about Mars? Another really interesting experiment that was done on Mars. We humans haven't gone to Mars, but we've sent a lot of robots to Mars. And one of the questions, if you say, I mean, gosh, when I was a kid, there was like My Favorite Martian. It was about a live guy that had come from Mars. So when we go to Mars, the question is, are there Martians? Are there living things there? And so one of the tests that we had a robot do is we said, let's see if energy is used by something living in the dirt. And so what they do is they said, okay, what we'll do is we'll put some sugar, mix it with the dirt, and then we'll look to see if there's metabolism going on there. And yeah, there was. And then so they were thinking, what? What? Maybe there's life there. Maybe there's bacteria there. Now, the naysayers say, well, that doesn't really mean that there was metabolism. There's a lot of solar radiation that's maybe breaking down that sugar. So maybe there's stuff living in the soil, maybe not. The jury is still out, but it's interesting that we have a characteristic of life that is shared with non-living things, and the answer was yes, it happened on Mars. What else do we say? So the question is, one of the reasons that people question it, just to finish my point there after looking at my notes, is that you don't have much free water on Mars, or any. So life depends on water also. So there's, again, some very serious questions about whether this is real, but it's intriguing.